Hi students, today we are going to see about the first chapter, relations and functions. So before relation and function, in this we are going to see about set, Cartesian product, and then relation and then function. So set is the basic which we have already seen. So it is a collection of well-defined objects. Then Cartesian products is nothing but the product between two sets. So where the answer will be a ordered pair, all possible ordered pairs a comma b, where a belongs to a and b belongs to b. Similarly, we'll get all the possible ordered pair. So let us see an example related to that, where a is equal to 1 2 3 and b is equal to ab. So the possible ordered pairs will be assumed by using a mapping, where a has the element 1 2 and 3 and b with an element a and b. So while mapping, we will get what are the possible order pairs. So 1 a and another one is 1 b. So this is the first or two order pairs in the cross product a cross b, where a cross b is equal to 1 comma a and similarly 1 comma b. Similarly, we will do for 2 comma a and 2 comma b. So this is our next two order pairs, 2 comma a and 2 comma b. Similarly, next we will join 3a and 3b. So this is our next ordered pair, 3 comma a and 3 comma b. So this is our possible ordered pair for the cross product a cross b. So let us see an example. You have already done intersection and union in your basic. So now with the Cartesian product, we are going to do intersection between a cross b intersection b cross c. So for that, we have taken two examples, where a is equal to 1 2 3 4, b is equal to 2 3 5, and we will learn the cross product between a cross b first. So we will map all the elements from a to b. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, and similarly 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, and again 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, and then lastly the last element 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, and 4 comma 5. So likewise, as we have done a cross b, similarly we will do another cross product between b cross a. So we will get similarly the same, and we will get next products. For in the first set we have done a to b. Now we will do from b to a. So 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, and then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, and 3 comma 4. And similarly for last element 5. So next we will get that 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, and lastly 5 comma 4. So this is our two different cross product of a cross b and b cross a. Now as it given intersection means common, so we will get the common pair in both the cross product. So let's see what is there. So we can see first product 2 comma 2 is in same in both the cross product, and similarly 2 comma 3, and similarly likewise we will get 3 comma 2, and lastly 3 comma 3. So these are the four pairs which is common in both the Cartesian product. So we'll get the answer a cross b intersection b cross a, which is equal to 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, and 3 comma 3. So next let us move on to the next topic, that is relation. Relation is nothing but it is a part of a Cartesian product. What is the relation between two sets? So which is comes under the Cartesian product. Let us see an example. A which having the elements 1, 2 and 3. B with elements A, B, C. So now let us do the Cartesian product for these two sets, which will be 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, and again 2 comma A, 2 comma B, 2 comma C. And next 3 comma A, 3 comma B and 3 comma C. Now this is a Cartesian product. Now we are going to give some relation to this two sets. So let us consider a relation where R is equal to all the ordered pairs where the first element is, that is the starting element, is odd number. So this is the relation which we are going to given to these two sets. So let us see which pairs has the starting element is odd. So now you can see 1, 2, 3, there are two elements in the starting. So which are odd? 1 and 3 only. So we will get all the ordered pair which starts with odd numbers. So 1 comma A, 1 comma B and 1 comma C, and similarly 3 comma A, 3 comma B and 3 comma C. So this is the ordered pair to the given particular relation. Now let us look on it. Now next we are going to see about the domain, range and codomain. Let us move on with an example A and B with R is a relation from A to B. So the relation is difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. So now we can see the element 1 and 4, the difference is 3. So it is definitely an odd number. Next 1 and 6, definitely it is also an odd number, that is 5. Next 1 and 9, the difference is 8, which is even. Now 2, 4 is also an even number, and next 2 and 6 is also an even number. So next 2 and 9 is an odd number. Now next, similarly we are going to continue for the next element 3. 3 and 4, the difference is odd. So this is the next pair. Now again we are going to see about 3, 6, the difference is also an odd pair, odd number. Now next 3 and 9, so difference between 3 and 9 is 6, which is even. So it is not in our ordered pair set. Now 5 and 4, the difference is 1, so this is an ordered pair. Next 5 and 6, the difference is 1, which is also an ordered pair. Now next 5 and 9, so difference between 5 and 9 is nothing but 4, which is even, so which is not in our